nigo haborokia au watenente chigosoli ase county ya Kisii korwa ase chisukuru chioburusu junior secondary na baigo chisukuru chiri secondary nigo bagokeira maigerio ayo bagendete konyora nikiombe kiri gia Kenya Academy of Sports gwatirana ne wizara yechisemi amaigerio ayo agendete ase sukuru ya Kisii ekerenge kenene kia maigerio ayo no kwende kibuna konyora bari amumanyi boigoro muno aso kwarigane chigosoli chitamu ya kabire amagera yo ni gara chigoiko mwelio abwankyo.
My name's Dr. John Okwemba Ngota, Director Research Kenya Academy of Sports. We are in Kisii High School for a very special program of sports personnel training, and we have zeroed down on teachers from Kisii County. We started on 13th of this month, and we are ending on 22nd, and we have around 210 participants from various disciplines, from football, volleyball, hockey, handball, netball, basketball, and hockey, rugby. So we expect that the teachers we have selected from this county are going to carry on with this activity when they open schools, and they will help the young learners to nurture their talent in the right way. They will also help us identify talent from the grassroots that needs further elite training.
My name is Coach Brian Matthews, national team coach, currently working with CAS. The training here in Kisii imekuwa nzuri sana. Turnout imekuwa amazing. We have our instructors who are also from the different federations, volleyball, basketball, hockey, and tukiangalia makocha wale saizi tunafundisha, turnout imekuwa nzuri sana.
Dennis Omari is the chairman, Kenya Primary School Sports Association, Kisii County. Mine is to pass vote of thanks. First goes to the CEO, Kenya Academy of Sports, that is CAS, the one which gave us the opportunity to be in Kisii High School today. I must also thank Dr. Okwemba, who is the director. We have the team that he came with. We have worked very well here with Madam Faith and her team. Mr. Okwemba has really made this place to be the best place for us to stay.
We are thoroughly preparing for the second term school games, which are normally very competitive, especially because of the interest many schools have, and we hope we shall also identify talent among the young people. We will also educate them on safeguarding in sports and give them the right skills so that they are able to know what to do. So we will also be all over the country monitoring what is happening and identifying the new emerging talents throughout the country, from the regional levels up to the national levels. Thank you.